Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get 50x zoom feature on any iPhone smartphones. So without further ado, let's begin. So firstly let me show you by opening the default camera application. Now let me try to zoom it. So you can see here I can zoom maximum only up to 5x. So let us try the video also. So you can see here in video only 3x. So in order to get a 50x zoom feature, what you need to do is just open the App Store and just search for one application name as Binoculars 50x zoom. And the first is you'll see the application. Just click on it. Now click on install or download option. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on this open. Now just click on allow. Now you can see this kind of user interface. So now you can see here the options to rotate. So you can select the video or photo mode depending upon your needs. So let us try the photo mode firstly. I've selected a photo. So you can just swipe it left and right in order to increase or decrease. So you can see I can increase. So let us try to increase more. So now you can see I have increased it up to 50x. That is, I have zoomed it to the 50x times. So it's perfectly working. So let us try in the video mode also. Click on allow. So you can see in video also we have options of 50x. You can decrease it also. So you can see you can increase again 50. You can start recording. So by using this application named as Binoculars 50x zoom, you can easily get 50x zoom feature on any iPhone smartphones very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.